Oh, my. Look at the intensity in his eyes. Oh, my God. Oh. He's good. He's good. He's good. That was extraordinary. The poise and the sternness and just the vigour was something else. I think we have a new career for Fred Syriacs.
Yes! Encore! 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 What? We need to go.
No, Fred, no. Fred, you dance. No, I can't dance.
Get into the thing.
I'm not dancing. I'm like, I have an injury on my foot.
Yo te voy a enseñar.
No,
Vamos a practicar.
Practically, if I can watch from here. Guys, seriously.
Yes!
Jesus Christ, no, come on. No, I mean, honestly, seriously. I mean, fucking really? And really? You said you're in the toilet. Jesus.
Stepping up on stage, I love it. I love the lights and I love to perform. I mean, it was a show, wasn't it?
I love Andalusia. This flamingo bar, very good.
Andalusia has provided all the essence of Spanish cuisine. Incredible tapas, paella, sherry, you name it, we've had it. I think it's one of the best kept culinary secrets on the planet. Next time, it's lovely, isn't it? We're in Santiago. Oh, my Lord. On a culinary pilgrimage.
She's a teeth cheese.
No, stop it. Through the northwest of Spain. This beef is exceptional. Going to extreme lengths.
Looks like an elephant on a tricycle.
On our quest for the finest food Galicia has to offer.
You're tasting the very best of Spain now.
Delicious.
In our very own...
Oh, my God.
Fiesta Forever.
Free Willy!